So we're here today to open a small exhibit for the RAF Medical Services, part of the RAF Hendon Museum, which will showcase the last 20 years of RAF Medical Services activity. The exhibit consists of part of the capability, which is the air transportable isolator, but alongside that is a huge amount of videos and interviews relating to those people who contribute to the work that we do over the past 2 decades, and all the conflicts and domestic and deployed support that we've provided to the armed forces and to the nation.
So I've deployed on a number of ops. The first was Op Great Rock back in 2015. And that was the UK's response to the Ebola crisis that was happening in West Africa. And we deployed out there the UK and Canadian Air Force medical personnel in support of the Sierra Leonean or the local medical personnel who were in turn looking after any suspected or confirmed cases of Ebola in the local communities. So our job was effectively to provide that medical support for them and give them the confidence to go on and do their jobs, knowing that if they themselves got ill, we would provide the added extra layer of clinical care for them. The Royal Air Force and the Royal Air Force Medical Services has provided me a wonderful career so far and a wonderful opportunity so far. And for anybody out there who is considering joining the Air Force and has even thought for a minute that this is something that they might enjoy, the truth is that they probably will enjoy it. So take the leap of faith, do sign up and enjoy it.
So my job role as a flight medic, we fly out in teams of 2, majority, normally a medic and a nurse. We can fly all over the world, collect sick and injured personnel. We can also uplift doctors and such if needed, and then safely bring them back to the UK to receive further medical care. I was actually a healthcare assistant for the NHS beforehand, so I was already in the medical field and I wanted to carry it on, but I also wanted to see the world. I think the RAF Medical Services as a whole is just like a really small, but like, I describe it as a family. Like, it's very small, people tend to know each other. It's just really welcoming and I really enjoy being a part of it, and I'm looking forward to what else I get to be a part of in the future as well.
So I think today's event, really, it's important to recognise that this was about the idea of one person, Squadron Leader Mark Barron, and in conjunction with the RAF Museum, we're hugely thankful for giving us what is really premium floor space to able to showcase what we do. It's a great privilege to be part of the RAF Medical Services and to be part of the fabric of the wider RAF. Behind us and surrounding us are huge aircraft, fast jets, and actually we play a critical role in supporting the pilots and the capabilities, and we're proud of that, so it's a great day for us.